Hello. All right. I just wanted to make sure that we all understand how to do this lab before we get back to school on Wednesday, which is a working Wednesday. So I hope that you all have time to watch this video. So the first thing that you want to do, number one, is to read these directions. I think a couple of people that I have helped in particular have, during the first process, let me go ahead and zoom in real quick. They have taken this strand here, and so we have to remember a couple of things. Number one, this is DNA, right? And this is RNA. So mRNA, you get rid of the base thymine. It's no longer there. So you will do the base uracil instead. So when we take this and we copy it and we paste it here, you should have, I've done the first three for you, and I'm going to just follow through with the first three, and then you all can do the rest on your own. So thymine will, the codon for thymine is adenine. Adenine is uracil, not thymine. Some of you have done thymine here, and then when you get down to try to figure out your amino acid, you are incorrect. So cytosine then goes to guanine. So I'm just going to follow through with these three to the next step. All right, once you get down to the next step, or slide 3, you have, let me make this a little smaller. We have a couple of things going on here, right? We've got the ribosome. So the directions say that we are going to take this, we're going to copy it again, and we're going to paste it in between these dotted lines. A couple of things to note. This is an anticodon here. So this is a tRNA anticodon. So the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to put our mRNA strand here, and then we're going to find the tRNA anticodon that goes with it. So you paste your mRNA strand here in between those dotted lines, and then you have to find that anticodon up here. So what would go with adenine is a uracil. What would go with uracil would be an adenine. And then guanine is cytosine. So it looks like this is the one that matches. So you bring it up here and you put it there. And then you go to your wheel, and this is the most important thing. And the directions up here tell you this. They say that you are going to remember the mRNA codons determine the amino acid. So what I've noticed some of you doing is you're trying to use the RNA codon coding circle with the UAC, with the tRNA anticodon. You've got to use the mRNA, so AUG. And when you find AUG, you should see that it codes for the amino acid methionine. So you take your methionine and you drag it. Oh, that's not the right way. Sorry about that. Over there. Let's see if I can get all of it at the same time. And that is methionine. Didn't go, so then you've got to mess with it some more, and you take the name of it with it. All right, make sure to fill out these boxes and then answer the questions below. So because we don't have school tomorrow, I'd strongly recommend that you get this part done, and then I would continue on to get the questions below answered if you have time, if you have power. But I hope this video is helpful.